5:16, let's talk weather now. Brooks in for Cheetah.
Yeah.
So, Brooks, let's talk about the rush hour forecast.
All right, well, we are going to see green conditions as far as the traffic light goes, which means go. Yeah, it'll be steamy outside. You'll have the AC buzzing, 77 degrees, but no precipitation to worry about this morning, no fog to worry about, A-OK. Just have to worry about everybody else on the roads this morning. Afternoon rush hour, 40% chance of rain, yellow flashing light. Just a heads up, we may have some storms around. Temperatures pushing about 94 degrees. Want to show you an area of tropical moisture coming our way this weekend. What this will result in is not a washout of a weekend, but at least on Sunday and early next week on Monday, we're going to see scattered to numerous tropical downpours. Also, to our south and west about 1,200 miles, there's a pretty good hurricane. This is forecast to become a major hurricane. No effect to land, but interesting to look at using our KHOU 16 satellite imagery, the latest and greatest in the weather world, this satellite that is. Cat 2 right now, winds of 100 miles an hour, but I feel like in the next advisory with this very defined eye wall, making a presentation that we're going to see this thing bumped up to a Cat 3 or more. Okay, let's get back to our tropical moisture. These greens and yellows represent deep tropical moisture. We're not talking about when you go outside and it feels muggy outside. We're talking about if you measure the air from the ground all the way to the top of the troposphere where all of the weather happens. These yellows indicate extreme levels of moisture. So when afternoon downpours develop within this air mass, which will be here squarely on Sunday and Monday, we could see rainfall rates eclipsing 3 inches per hour. That could certainly lead to street flooding in some of those poor drainage areas. But again, it won't be a washout where it's raining all day. It's in fact rarely ever a washout in Houston. Pretty much unless you have a hurricane overhead, right? So I wouldn't cancel your plans this weekend. Just keep an eye to the sky. If you're on the boat, especially keep an eye to the sky, especially if you're on the lake. 70% chance for rain on Monday. That looks to be the highest chance for rain over the next 7 days as the axis of that tropical moisture works over the region. Darby?
Yeah, it really looks like we're going to get some rain. I know